Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 3Doodler Create Plus 3D Printing Pen. The 3Doodler Create Plus pen isn't a 3D printer, so it doesn't offer the robust set of features that you'll find on a 3D printer. However, what it is a 3D pen, and what it does do is give teens, 14 years old and older, access to creating objects using a process that's very similar to the additive 3D printing process found on 3D printers. What's nice about this pen is that it's well designed and includes very intuitive controls, so you're up and running quickly. Once you've set it up, you can use the pen, which extrudes heated plastic like a 3D printer. One of the main differences is that your creation isn't based on a digital CAD file. The pen comes with 15 different colors of 3Doodler Create plastic refills and a comprehensive activity guidebook. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Artillery Sidewinder X2. 3D printers can be complicated to assemble. The process can feel like a project in and of itself. Luckily, however, this printer comes 95% assembled and is very easy to set up. You can get up and print quickly without a lot of fuss. It has other features that can be helpful during the 3D printing process. It has a filament runout detection and recovery system so that it will know when there's no more filament and stop the print, but it will also resume printing once more filament is supplied to the unit. Also, if power is lost, you can resume the project from the last layer, saving time and money. Plus, it's compatible with several different slicer apps. At number 3, we have the Creality Ender 3v2 Neo. The new iteration of this 3D printer includes some impressive enhancements to an already solid performing 3D printer. It has a CR touch feature, for instance, which gathers the bed deviation data by touching multiple points in the bed and compensating for them accordingly, allowing for hassle-free bed leveling. It now comes with a full metal Bowden extruder, which the company says makes for smooth feeding through the system. It also comes with a new 4.3-inch user interface, which is easier to read. Creality has also updated the build plate. The PC spring steel magnetic build plate has good adhesion to the model and enables quick removal of the print with just a slight bend of the platform. At number 2, we have the Toybox 3D printer. If you're looking to move fast right out of the box, look no further than the Toybox 3D printer. It comes together quickly and easily, and it only took us about 20 minutes. We had a full, working toy within 45 minutes of touching the printer post-calibration. The final pieces look impressive and feel light in your hand, yet are strong thanks to structural lattice-shaped printing. It's a wonderful machine to enter the addicting world of 3D printers. Check out our reviewers' other thoughts on the Toybox 3D printer. And finally, at number 1, we have the Monoprice MP Cadet. Although there are plenty of 3D models you'll pay a lot of money for, there are also a decent number of inexpensive 3D printers, like this model from Monoprice, which makes it a great model for beginners and students. The Monoprice MP Cadet has a simple but elegant interface that allows beginners to get up and running quickly. Despite its small size, it's a solid performer. It can print relatively quickly. It's also compatible with 2 slicer apps, Ultimaker Cura, an open-source slicing application for 3D printers, and WeBuilder Software. Most of all, this printer delivers decent quality prints consistently. However, since it's a budget model, it's not as versatile as some other, more feature-packed 3D printers. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.